50. What's that? It ain't 6.
What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. My brake pads have started to become annoyingly loud and increasingly embarrassing for me to drive the car on the road. Okay, so our wheel is off, and this is things in place removed, as well as the 2 pins. And here are our brake pads exposed. I believe this one was the main culprit. Fun fact. Okay, now we're gonna push the piston back, just so that brake pads are in. Now I'm just gonna reassemble this thing. Okay, done. Now I'm gonna put back the clip. Okay, just putting the clip back in. There we go. Brakes are nice and secure. Please click on the thumbs up icon to leave us a like, and if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please click subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel. As usual, people, I have been Zwele Tumatlangu, and thank you so much for hanging out, and take care of each other, stay awesome, and keep the dream alive. Peace.
Grateful, oh yeah, ain't no stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once.